So, sir, today we have celebrated already Teachers' Day after what's called 2 days later, also no problem. But in this regard, what kind of message you want to give for the entire students?
Yeah, we celebrate today instead of 5th of September because one of our beloved student passed away a day before Teachers' Day. So we deferred the day, and then as students, they want to respect their teachers, they want to show their gratitude to teachers. So we observe the day today. And on this day, I would like to give message to the society that teachers are very important part of the society who educate children, who guide children to be the future of tomorrow. Students are the future of the nation, and teachers are the main guide of the students. So I would like to give message that we teachers have to be responsible. We teachers have to be very careful in building up the students' career. We teachers have to be very responsible in the sense that we have to take the children in our hands and shape them so that they can be the future of tomorrow.
So, the students who are participating like dance and all, it is good for students, or it is actually entertainment is very essential part of a student.
Actually, it is the one way of showing gratitude to the teachers by their talents. So if they perform, then we come to know about the talents of the student also. So here two things are there. They are showing their gratitude in the form of their talents by exhibiting their talents.